Hello, welcome back. In this session, we will see what are implicit and explicit waits. By the end of the session, you should get a good, memorable grasp of implicit and explicit waits. Implicit wait. An implicit wait will instruct the WebDriver to wait and poll the DOM until the web element is found or implicit wait time is elapsed, whichever happens first. By default, the value for the implicit wait will be 0. That means WebDriver will not wait for the element to be available. In this piece of code, the driver will wait up to 10 seconds by regularly polling the DOM to find the element. If the element is found within the 10 seconds, it will be returned back. If the element is not found past 10 seconds, we will see timeout exception. Also note the implicit wait is available for the life of the driver. That means if you set the implicit wait, it will be effective throughout the program. Explicit wait. An explicit wait is a condition you define on the WebDriver to wait for certain condition to occur within the elapsed time defined for the wait. So which means we are checking two things in one wait condition, an elapsed time and at the same time for the desired condition to occur. For example, you want a button to be visible before moving forward and within 10 seconds. So in the piece of code right here, we were waiting for 10 seconds while the element is available on the web page, at the same time checking for the expected condition for the presence of the element located. And these expected conditions can be anything. It can be a presence of an element, or whether the button is enabled, or whether the button is clickable or not. You can give a wide range of expected conditions along with the wait time. So which one is a better option? Even though it depends upon the situation, between these two, explicit wait makes more sense because it gives you the control. So you can choose both wait time and also expected condition. Especially in Ajax-based applications where the elements are already present on the web page but not accessible or not clickable, not enabled, this kind of conditions are pretty common while the data is being loaded. On a side note, those who have the QTP background, these waits are nothing but synchronization in QTP.